Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for D in Alabama on his Cobra 29. D, got it ready to go, man? This thing come in here with intermittent receive and no transmit. We took care of that, put you a 1969 final in. Had a dollar watt right here, but it wasn't regulated. We put it on the regulator, and I'll show you what we got. 5-watt slug, a little less than a half-watt carrier all the way down. We can roll it up there a little past 6 watts, and let's roll it back down. 100-watt slug, average power, bird watts, low 12 bird, peak power, low 42 peak. Alright, D man, I hope you enjoy it. It's ready to come back to Sweet Home Alabama from your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.